Greetings YouTube. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to relink media files like video and audio clips. If your project looks similar to this, obviously something is wrong. Let's go and fix it. Click the media button. These are the files used in your video project. Notice the red triangle icon. The file is missing. To manually relink it, click on the file. Hit the relocate button. In the file picker dialog, search for the folder where you have moved the file to. Select the file, then press open. Filmora does not check for same file size or CRC checks. Whatever you select will replace it. Repeat the steps for each file. This approach can be tedious or confusing with long file names. Revert the project. I will show you another method. When opening a project, Filmora notices the missing files. Select a file in the dialog. Then press Locate selected. Choose the correct folder. Select the file. All missing files have been found. Mission accomplished. See you next time.